In this video, we'll show you how to change the cabin air filter on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To access your cabin air filter, you will need to completely open the glove box. Lift the upper plastic cover so that you can remove it. Using a ratchet and a 7mm socket, unscrew the two bolts holding the glove box upper plastic trim. Then unclip it. Disconnect the electrical connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. You can now remove the plastic trim.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Press the two tabs of the filter tray and pull on them. Remove the filter from its tray. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Pay attention to the direction of airflow. The arrows on the filter should point down. Place the filter in its slot. Then put the tray back in its slot. Bring the upper plastic trim closer. Plug the electrical connector back in. Replace the plastic trim by fitting it. Then screw the two bolts back on. Replace the plastic cover. Operation complete.